Hello and welcome to another edition of TAM Studio. This is Mark Bernardo, a technical account manager based out of Manila. For today's video, we will discuss this new feature enhancement in Architect, particularly the supported language user interface. So let's get started. So the main purpose of this feature enhancement is to basically modernize, will basically enable the flow author to easily navigate, improve consistency throughout the user interface, and ensure a more user-friendly flow authoring experience. Please note that we only changed the user interface. This feature does not affect existing functionality. For more information, you may want to visit our resource center, then look for choose supported languages and add a supported language to a flow. This feature has no restriction by user or required user to access as well. For additional details, so this is where we made the changes. So you can check it by navigating through admin, architect, selecting the flow that you wanted to edit, then under the flow, just go to settings, then supported language. So for demo purposes, I actually logged in to one of our sandbox. So again, just need to go to the admin, then within admin, just go to the architect. So I basically opening up one of the flow that we have available already. So within the flow, you just need to go to settings, then supported language. So this is where we made the changes or enhancements. So the first button that you should notice is this button. This is basically the add language button. So this is where you can add the language that you wanted to support within the flow. So for demo purposes, let's try to select English Australia. So the next column that we have is the default flow language. So this is actually where you can select the language that you want to use as the default language for the flow. So for this demo, if you will notice, we have the English United States language as the default language. So the language column, basically this is where you can view the list of languages that you have selected for the flow. The next column will basically the text to speech. This is optional, but this is where you can select the default TS engine. This is the voice to play back text to speech for each language. So this is something that you can configure as well. So the default language skills, this is used if in case that you wanted to specify a language as one of the requirements to route an interaction to an agent. Aside from that, we also added like a few icons that will provide you more information. So for this one, this is more of like a delete or remove language button. So if you hover your mouse over this icon, you should see here the more information about that specific option. So it can be within the language as well. Then we have like a warning message here as well. So if in case that the language that you specify does not support, let's say, runtime data playback, speech recognition, or text to speech, you should see here like a warning button. So if you will notice, one of this language that we've selected does not support speech recognition. So that should be all for this change. This is actually a very small changes. However, it definitely helped the flow author, particularly with configuring or selecting the supported language within the flow. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice day.